So hi guys, welcome back, to my channel again, and it's been a long time, na hindi ako nag-upload ng mga long videos. Like kung napapansin niyo sa mga channels ko, I'm just being, nag-upload lang ako ng mga reels, mga shorts sa mga activity natin every, Friday, sa mga liga natin, yung mga highlights natin, yung mga, contribution natin, sa team. And hope you guys enjoyed that, and I, really enjoy it. Pag may mga activities ako na ganun and like, like just having fun. Sometimes we need that. Like life balance, I'd say. And it's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-upload because it's really been busy. May mga inaasikaso lang. And yeah, I mean, I'm back with a new box. And for this video, unbox tayo ngayon ng bagong release sa Foot Locker. And I've been looking for this thing for a long time. And I've been, manifesting this for a long time. And I finally got it. Ito yung mga goals na, small goals lang. And I've been having a hard time maghanap ng mga colorway niya. It's a shoe. Another dagdag na naman sa collection natin, sa Jordans natin. And man, oh man, I finally got it. I finally got the right colorway na kapag sinuot ko, like, bagay sa mga damit ko. So, yeah, I mean, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Hindi lang 'to mga collections ginagamit ko din 'to, like hindi lang siya personal collections na hindi mo ginagamit. I actually use it kapag may mga lakad ako. So, let's go get it. All right, and it's here. Let's go unbox it. I'm very excited, makita to, and hindi ko talaga siya binuksan. Kakarating lang to kanina. I mean, I think it was 2 hours ago. And hindi ko talaga siya binuksan, like gusto ko talaga to ma-video yung first reaction ko, yung first impression ko pag nakita ko in person, and nakita niyo may damage yung box. Hopefully, hindi na sira or hindi man lang natamaan yung box na ito, like yung personal box, yung mga ganito. Hopefully, didn't damage, and I'm excited, man. I'm excited, and gusto ko din makita yung sarili ko kung anong reaction ko na I've been manifesting this and I'm seeing it in for the first time. And let's go get it. All right, let's see. Man, oh man. Nung nakita ko talaga siya sa Foot Locker app and like nakita ko yung date, man. Inaabangan ko talaga yung date nito. So, let's go. Nakapag-entry tayo early. Nakuha natin yung size natin. And hopefully, I've been, praying na sana this is a true to size sa paa ko. Because nag-research din ako na they said this type of shoe is true to size. So hopefully it's right. Damn, I see the box. Yo! Guys, see this? Oh my days. This is the box? It's really different, eh? I think sa pinakamagandang box na kung anong meron sa akin ngayon, Jordan 6 has a nice box kasi chrome to eh, chrome and black. Kaso nasira ko lang yung box na ito nung pumunta kami sa US, but chinek kasi ng police yung and then we have to move the boxes ko, so na damage. But this is the one of the best that I see na box, yung Jordans, is the Jordan 6. And yeah, man, let's go back to this. So as you guys could see, this is Jordan 4 Retro 8.5. Hopefully you guys see that. You know, let's see. You see, that is my true to size Jordan Air Jordan 4 Retro. And this colorway is black LT granite. So let's go get it, man. This is made in Vietnam. So man, oh man. Woo! You guys ready? Oh my days, binalot pa talaga dito. And hindi ko naman nakita na na-damage yung box. Which is good. Grabe, binalot pa pala to. May balot pa pala na ito. Wow. Oh my days, you guys can see that. Sa apakan niya sa baba. Oh wow, okay. I've been waiting for this, you know. Jordan 4. Oh my days. All black, man. Ito yung pagsinuot ko. Like, you know, bagay sa lahat. And ang gaan lang din. You know. Ano ba na ito? Ano naman niya? Oh, wow. Grabe, balot na balot talaga ito, guys, ah. It's crazy. Basuotin ko na ito mamaya. May laro din ako mamaya, eh. So, I wanna feel this pag naglalakad ako. Man. Yung first impression ko is just very different pagdating dito sa design na to. But yung dito sa apakan, I've been seeing this, you know, guys, sa Jordan 6. And then flat lang din, you know. And tatlo na yung Jordans ko na black. I don't know, parang mahilig ako sa mga black shoes kasi madali talagang bagayan. So, isa lang yung Jordan ko na makulay, which is this one, the Lannies. Actually, ito yung pangalawa kong binili. Pangalawa kong nabili. You know, I have to clean this too. First one is the Jordan 6, and then the 13. Tapos itong Jordan 8, you know. Out of 3 of them, ito yung parang best bet ko talaga pag lumabas ako, you know. Kasi sobrang komportable siya pag naglalakad ako. And tinitignan ko lang, you know, kung ano yung mga similarities nila. You know. Let's see, guys. So yung dito, it's just the same. Pero pagdating dito is really different. You know, and then pagdating din dito, may sarili silang style. Pero may similarities lang dito sa Jordan 6. You know what I'm saying? Pero iba lang yung materials, but you know, it's similar. So, and magaan. Magaan to ka sa Jordan 8. Magaan yung Jordan 13. And sobrang gaan. Kasi mas use ko tong 6 eh. Kaya parang na ano talaga. And yeah, man. Wow. Oh, man. Let's see. Oof. Maraming may dumaan ng mga Jordan 4 pero hindi ko talaga bet yung mga colorway para silang Christmas tree. Ay nga bro. Gusto ko nga sana yung Jordan 4 na yung parang dito lang may yellow, may red, yung blue. Pero hindi pa rin hindi pa rin lumalabas. So like this is the best bet we got right now. Why not get it, you know? So let's see kung true to size to siya. Man, iba talaga pag brand new. It's crazy. And kailangan muna natin. Grabe yung shoelace na ito ah. Ang daming ano na ito ah. Paano ko paluwagan to? I think I have to research yung kung may iba pang design tong pag ano na ito ng Jordan, but kailangan kong luwangan to guys para hindi siya mag-crease. Kasi pag hindi siya maluwang and then mahigpit siya, tapos paglalapa ka, pag-aapa ka, like magka-crack dito and you don't want that, you know? And nakikita nyo sa mga matagal ko ng Jordan, walang crease yan kasi maluwang yung sintas para hindi magka-crease and you don't want that, you know? So yeah. Para tumagal and habang tumatagal, pag tinignan mo, you know, brand new pa rin. So, hindi lang tayo bumibili ng sapatos tapos like few months, few years parang wala na, you know. Gusto mo yung sapatos mo na few months, few years parang brand new pa rin, you know. So, yeah. Oh my days. It's very comfy. Kailangan ko luwagan to guys. Ganto lang muna. Oh wow. Parang nakapupunta sa school sa Pilipinas. Alam mo yun yung mga pag pumasok ka sa school sa Pilipinas, lalo na dun sa school ko pa. Sa mga Notre Dame schools is like kailangan mo magsuot ng all black na shoes. It's crazy. All black shoes lang tapos hindi dapat mahaba yung buhok mo pag ganito. I remember nung elementary, pag ganito yung buhok mo, papasok ka or high school, man, gugupitin ng teacher, man. Sisirain nila yung buhok mo. Kasi ang required like maiksi, like military cut yung standard. So, it's crazy. Oof. All black. SUV, black on black. Naalala ko tuloy yung kanta ni Jack Harlow. SUV, black on black. Oh man, oh man. Man, titignan ko muna sa labas guys. Oh my days, it's so comfy. It's crazy, eh? It's very comfy guys and it's actually true to size. So, ayusin lang natin yung sintas natin. That magkapareha silang haba. Tapos, pag nagkapareha na, spread out natin to. Para hindi siya mag-crease. Tapos, gaganin natin. And kailangan ko pa mag-research na ito kung ano yung tamang shoelace, you know. And yeah. Yung kung napapansin nyo, wala akong Jordan 1s because a lot of people have Jordan 1s, you know. Hindi naman sa, hindi ko gusto yung Jordan 1s, is just like, OP na masyado yung Jordan 1s and inaano ko sa sarili ko, like, I'm trying to get the rare ones, you know, like, yung hindi masyadong nakikita in public na, pag tinignan nila, damn, iba yung sa kanya, you know, damn, meron akong ganyan, pero konti lang yung mga ganyan, you know what I'm saying? Pero pag Jordan 1s is just like, even elementary kids, high school kids, you know, pang casual nila lang ito mga sapatos na to hindi pang casual, you know. Like makikita, hindi mo lang makikita agad-agad yung mga ganito. So, I like the rare ones. So, yeah. Man, finally got it. Ano pa ba yung mga magagandang Jordan na iba? Ito na ata yung top 4 ko na na sa Jordan, sa lahat ng sapatos ni Jordan. Isa na lang siguro yung makakadagdag siguro yung Jordan 11. Yung Space Jam siguro, you know. Or kung may maganda pang colorway na Jordan 11, that could, you know, 100% add to my collection. So, yun na yun. After Jordan 11, depende sa budget, kung may budget pa. Let's see, but, you know, let's see how it goes. Pero I'm really happy to have this, you know. It's not just happy, and I'm really satisfied to have this too. Kasi kahit mag-jeans ako, mag-baggy pants, mag-cargo pants, mag-jogger, you know, kung tamang kulay lang yung mga sinusuot mo, madaling bagayan to. So, I like it, man. It's very comfortable. And it's actually true to size, comfy. I like the color, you know. Yung titignan mo muna siya o anong klaseng Jordan yan. Kasi sobrang dark, di ba? So, pag pinalapitan mo, it's Jordan 4, you know? So, because it's all black, hindi mo agad maano kapag sa malayo. So, man, finally got it. Fresh out the box. So, yeah, guys. Thank you so much, you know, sa panonood. And hope you guys, you know, enjoy me watching, you know, sa first impression, sa review ko sa Jordan 4 na to add for my collection. And, you know, like I said, you know, again, hindi lang to siya pang collection. I actually use this pag lumalabas ako. So, really really satisfied to have this guy out here, you know, Jordan 4, add to my collection. And, yeah, man, marami na tayong options kapag lumabas tayo. So, hindi lang tayo yung, paulit-ulit na lang. Pag tinignan, ganyan na naman. Yan naman siya. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't know, man. I'm really into fashion, I guess, you know. I don't know, but for me, pag tinignan ako ng tao, pag tinitignan ako ng, you know, ng families and friends, you know, relatives, gusto ko presentable ako. Like, gusto ko, I look clean. I look proper, you know. Cause, sino ba yung ayaw magmukhang, you know, proper, you know, like, it don't make sense. Like, I've been working hard on everything I do in my life, and then like, sarili mo na lang hindi mo pa kayang ayusin. So, It don't make sense. So same thing goes, to you guys now, guys working hard, you guys doing this, doing that. It's just balance. Kung tinatrato mo tong ganito, bagay man tao ganyan, tatuhin mo rin yung sarili mo na, basically love yourself, respect yourself too, treat yourself too, because it's very important. Because at the end of the day, kahit lahat ng tao, hindi ka palaging, they always got your back, but you always got yourself. You always put bet on yourself. So, that's all, man. I mean, life lesson again, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this, hope you guys, learn something sa mga new kicks, pagdating sa Jordan 4. It is actually true to size, and is very comfy. 10 out of 10. Depende sa colorway nyo, but I like this colorway. 10 out of 10 for me, and I'm happy to have it another collection. And thank you guys, for watching, and see you guys on the next video, or see you guys on the shorts or reels video. Hope you guys have a good one, See you guys in the next video. Yes, sir.